So we're gonna be capturing $200. As you can see here, we got a short signal, and we're gonna be adding to the position. We got 15 minutes to the close. Okay, so we're gonna have we're gonna be adding slowly. We're not gonna be using minis because minis is too dangerous, guys. Minis with this market that you can see here, up and down, up and down. Minis is not designed to be traded with prop firms. Prop firms is micros, hands down. You can tell me whatever you want to tell me, but minis is very dangerous. Okay, so you need to get a little bit of profit, and just that's it. That's it. Be consistent. $200 a day, $300 a day. There you go. Okay, as you can see, we got 30 something dollars. Okay, there's the stop loss. We don't have a profit target here, but you can have a profit target. It's up to you. Okay, this program does not use Marker Plus. Okay, guys. So this is a program that it's in its own. So it doesn't use Marker Plus. Nothing. It's buys and sells on its own. It's an indicator. It's not a strategy. Okay, there you go. You see all the mumbo jumbo with minis. Yeah, you would have been, stopped out, or very the drawdown will eat you. If you want to go a little bit bigger, you can make a hybrid. Let's say, for example, you can go enter 3 micros and add to the position 3 micros. Okay, or you can scale in a ladder way. Okay, you can add another one here. Okay, so if in profit X amount of ticks, add another one if the condition is true. Okay, that's how it works. The thing is that you have to be very careful with your drawdowns and your we have another entry here. Sorry, I didn't put the. Okay, there you go. There's the text. We are almost 100, almost. There it goes. We are 120. At $200, it will close the trade. No questions asked. Okay. If you can do this every day, you can do 50, 50. We are at the Bollinger. Be careful. There's limit orders here, guys. Okay, we got another short signal here. We are on a 2-minute chart, guys, of the Micro NQ. We're gonna give it some room to the stop loss. Okay, we're gonna give it some room because we are at the Bollinger Band lower. If you want to scale, you can copy accounts. Okay, so you always trade micros, and you can scale with many accounts. That way, if you win $100, if you have 3 or 4 accounts, it's $400. Okay, that's the way it works, guys. There's no magic thing around here. Okay, as we are in a drawdown, it will not add to the position anymore. So okay, we got another short signal here. As you see, we haven't had an imbalance in this candle, not yet. So we're just waiting. Okay, so there is the 15. Okay, we're looking 200, guys. 200 bucks. There you go, 200. Okay, this is live, guys. You see the market is how it's working. Okay, so what happened here? I didn't catch this long because how this program works is you see the Bollinger Bands. Okay, so once the Bollinger Bands, you see the signal here. Don't matter where you enter here. Don't matter in this candle. Don't worry. You just click buy from the chart trader because you need to ignite the first trade. The starter trade, you have to do it because you have the logic where you want to start the trading. Okay, so don't say you, for example, you're gonna start here and you see the Bollinger Band here. No, okay, you know it's gonna bounce. Okay, so you see here, you see the market is congesting. Okay, so you go here and you go long because this program does not use marker plus. Okay, it uses you can use a chart trader. Okay, your own chart trader from NinjaTrader, and you use you can use markers only to make the starter trade. For example, you can automate this entry. Okay, let's say marker is gonna entry here, and okay, so you say this is the starter trade. Okay, this is the starter trade, so it already ignited. So a scaler already says, oh, already we are in a position long. Okay, so we are gonna ignore all the shorts. We are just gonna go long until the market the trade closes, or we go reversal. Okay, so the program is gonna, for example, here it will, if the condition is true here, it's gonna start scaling here, until you get to the target. So that's what I said. You did $200 today. So the market has been let's say it's been in a downtrend all day long, mostly. For example, you see here, you see the signal here, to the tick. You see the Bollinger Band mid here, and then you see the high volume node here. You see all this selling here. Then you enter a trade, and don't matter if you're going to the pullback. One contract is 50 cents. It's like about 20 bucks here. Okay, then market continues in your direction. You can do your $300, $200 here. It's like replacing your 9 to 5 job. You need to drive home. You need to drive to your home. You need to do all the expenses, buy meal at night and for your family. You're always using $100, $200. So this is the main thing about trading. You need to, find a way to replace your way of not breaking the bank. Okay, if you go with minis, it's very difficult, guys. Minis is not designed for prop firms or your people uses, a lot of people, including myself, we use $2,000, $3,000 accounts on the broker. Okay, so I'm futures or NinjaTrader broker. Okay, so we use very small accounts. We cannot trade minis, guys. Minis are not for us. Okay, so that's all that I wanted to tell you guys. As you can see, got 200, but it would have gotten a 300. Okay, so that's it for today, guys. So market is closing in 6 minutes. Okay, so like I said, if you're interested in the program, you can contact me. I will provide you all the information that you need for it to make it run. Okay, so it's not complicated. Like I said, you don't need markers. Okay, you don't need markers. You just need the program that I can sell you. Okay, so to automate everything for you. Okay, so that's how it works. Have a nice weekend, guys.